Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the Portable Mini Washer. If you're living in a small space or looking for a convenient laundry solution, this video will help you understand the differences and similarities between these two products. Let's dive in. The WonderWash is priced at an affordable $55, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Portable Mini Washer comes at a higher price of $99. While the WonderWash offers a cost-effective solution, the Portable Mini Washer's higher price reflects its additional features and larger capacity. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, which is suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Portable Mini Washer boasts a capacity of 10 liters, allowing it to wash larger loads, including baby clothes and underwear. This makes the Portable Mini Washer a better choice for families or those with more laundry to tackle. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring physical effort to wash clothes, which some users may find appealing for its simplicity and eco-friendliness. In contrast, the Portable Mini Washer is electric, offering automated washing with 3 different modes, making it more convenient for users who prefer a hands-off approach. This difference in operation type is crucial when deciding which machine suits your lifestyle better. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the Portable Mini Washer have their unique advantages. The WonderWash is perfect for those who prioritize affordability and manual operation, while the Portable Mini Washer offers a larger capacity and electric convenience. Make sure to consider your specific needs before making a choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.